Yeah, it's Brad here for LaytonSportsCards, ripping a Noir basketball for David T. Good luck, David. See what you got. Miami names Jaron Williams, their starting quarterback. Jeez, ooh. Steph Curry, base to 85. Base, Jimmy Butler to 25. Patch card, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander to 25. Jumbo jersey, Jimmy Butler to 49. Dual jersey, Jaren Jackson Jr. and Javon Carter to 99. Congrats on that. Thanks, Herman. Jersey to 65, Danny Ainge. Danny Ainge. There you go. Spotlight Sigs. Gold ink auto to 99, Nikola Jokic. Congrats on that. Nikola. RPA, Amari Spellman. It's 99. RPA to 99, Lonnie Walker. Not bad. Auto, Jason Kidd to 99, Reigning Knights. Not bad. Nice Jason Kidd. And silver frame, split screen, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar and Giannis Antetokounmpo to 25. Not bad at all. And there you go, David T. Does it for your box, man. We'll get that right out to you. Thanks, buddy.